Cereals are the seeds or grains of plants. Cereals are known as staple foods. They contain starch and are therefore good sources of energy. The main cereals used for food products are barley, maize, oats, rice, rye, spelt, wheat and quinoa. Cereal provides protein, carbohydrate, dietary fibre, B vitamins and some iron. Some types contain a little fat. The best way to eat cereals, if possible, is as whole grain or wholemeal. Wholemeal or whole grain means unprocessed or unrefined, that is, in its most natural state. Many cereals are processed or refined before we eat them. The most common process is milling the cereal to make flour. Barley contains gluten. It's made into flour, bread. Pearl barley is used in soups. It's used for making beer and whiskey. Barley flakes, which can be used in breakfast cereals. And malt extract is made from barley, which is used for cooking and as a sweetener. Maize. This has no gluten. This is milled into corn flour. Cornmeal, polenta, is used to make bread, biscuits, cakes and muffins. Corn oil, corn on the cob. Dried maize is used for popcorn and breakfast cereals. Oats have a little gluten, sold as oatmeal, porridge oats, jumbo oat flakes, and made into oat cakes or flapjacks and oat biscuits. Rice has no gluten. Again, many varieties are available, such as short grain and long grain. Short grain is for making puddings and sweet dishes. Long grain, such as patsna, basmati or easy cook, are usually for curries, paella and other savoury dishes. Rice can be made into flour, and rice flakes are used in breakfast cereals. Rye has some gluten. It's made into flour and bread, and rye flakes are added to breakfast cereals. Spelt contains some gluten. It's made into flour, and generally it's used to make bread. Wheat contains gluten. It's made into different types of flour. Bulgur wheat is steamed whole wheat grains. Couscous is steamed, dried and cracked grains of durum wheat. Wheat flakes are used in breakfast cereals. Wheat germ can be bought and added to recipes, and that's really rich in vitamin E. Wheat bran can be bought and added to recipes, and semolina is a wheat product, used for puddings and added to cakes and biscuit recipes. Quinoa has no gluten. It's used instead of rice in some recipes, and it's very high in protein.